How to change export settings in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project to get ready for exporting. Then, head over to the Deliver page where all the export settings are located. You will find a range of options on the left side of the screen. This is where you customize how your video will be exported, including format, codec, resolution, and more. Next, under the video section, choose your desired export format like MP4, MOV, or others depending on where you plan to use your video. For most users, MP4 with the H.264 codec is a great choice because it balances quality and file size well. Then, adjust the resolution and frame rate to match your project requirement. For example, if your project is in 1080p, make sure the export resolution is set to 1920 by 1080. You can also change the frame rate here if needed, but usually it should match your original footage. After that, go to the audio section to customize settings such as bitrate, codec, and more to get the sound quality you want. Next, choose the export destination by clicking the browse button to select where the final file will be saved on your computer. Creating a dedicated folder for exports helps keep things organized. Finally, decide whether to export a timeline or the entire project. Then click Add to Render Queue and hit Render All to start exporting your video with the new settings. And that's it. Now you know how to change export settings in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.